Croeso nôl ato ni, ag amolygfa sydd o'n blaenau ni fan hyn. Drychwch ar y tîm o 5 o'n blaenau ni ym Mhencampwriaeth y Gwartheg Godro. Paul Harrison yw'r beirniad, a dwi'n cael cwmni Wyn Jones a Dafydd Jones. Un hywys i a chithe drwy'r cystadlu a'r beirniad yn paratoi i fynd ati nawr i anerch y dorf niferus sydd yma'n gwylio. Bob un yn feirniad answyddogol, a fydd hi'n ddifyr i weld felly le mae'r garden goch na'n mynd i fynd. Le mae Darian di mynd, Dafydd?
Mae'n mynd i fod yn agos yn ei ddweud rhwng y jerseys a'r Holsteins. Mae'n mynd i fod yn agos.
Gwyn?
Holsteins i fi, just.
Pa mynd i de?
Just bach mwy o cydbwysedd fi'n gedi rhwng y 5. Ond bydd ym lot yn ei fi'n gedi bod 5 uwch neilltuol o dda. Cario Cadeira yn uchel llawn llath.
Wel, gawn ni weld fe mae'r dyn yn y canol am weid. Dewch ni glywed sylwadau'r beirniad Paul Harrison.
What a picture they are. And again, great credit to these exhibitors, all the breeders, and all the teams that work so hard behind the scenes. They've turned out again on day 2 looking so fantastically well. And I'd just like to say a few words about each of the individual groups. But just before I do that, I'd like to say a huge thank you to the Royal Welsh Agricultural Society for asking me to come along and judge here today. It's been a real pleasure and a privilege to be asked to come here to such a fantastic setting, to such a fantastic show. May I thank the stewards for making my job easier by working the ring, and also thank each and every exhibitor for bringing the cattle out in such tremendous form. It's always a great honour and a privilege to judge quality cattle, and that's what we've had here today, and a real credit to everyone. And I think they all deserve a huge round of applause. Thank you. The Brown Swiss team, a real well-balanced team. Cattle of the same sort of type, cattle of the same sort of stature, cattle with this dairy strength, with this power. They're just a little bit disadvantaged today for having an in-calf heifer and a maiden heifer against milkers, but a great credit to the breed for turning out such a beautiful balanced team. And then to the Holstein team, we have 5 cows that are full of milk, fantastic rear udders, great frames, great dairy strength, great ring presence for these cattle. And again, every farmer's dream to stand behind, every dairy farmer's dream to stand behind these cows and milk quality cows with quality udders like this. Again, to the Ayrshire breed, again, a breed very, very well represented here with some great cows in here. Again, a little bit of a disadvantage with an in-calf heifer in there. But again, heifers always are the future. And again, a heifer that shows a lot of promise. Again, a well-balanced team. Beautifully matched, showing the Ayrshire breed off to its advantage. And then to the jerseys, again, very like the Holstein team, cows showing a lot of milk, cows showing fantastic rear udders, great frames, great openness in the frame, beautiful balanced cows, and cows of fantastic bone quality and move round the ring so well. And again, a real credit to the breed and to the breeders for turning out such quality cattle on day 2. And I know the hard work that goes on behind the scenes, and again, a great credit to them. So without further ado, I'll tap out the champion and the reserve champion for the 2023 show, and then give a few pointers as to why that I've done that. Thank you.
Mae'r foment fawr wedi cyrraedd y beirniad Paul Harrison am ddewis pencampwyr y tîm o 5 y Godro ac yn mynd am yr Holsteins. Wedi cipio'r garden goch, wedi wneud y dwbl. A'r jerseys yn ail agos iawn, dwi'n siŵr. Ie'r Holsteins yn cipio'r tîm o 5 ar ôl I llwyddiant yn y Sioe i'r pare. Am sioe i'r Holsteins eleni eto fan hyn yn Llanelwedd. Llonggorchiadau mowr iawn i'r tîm I gyd. Gwartheg arbennig. Wel, mae'r Holsteins wedi wneud i to a chad llon gwarchiadau. Mor iawn i chi fel tîm.
Chyfod Ifan.
Yn arwen buwch pwy fan hyn nawr te?
Kev a Sian Ricard yn dod o tu fas Newport. So,
Be ti'n meddwl nath y wahaniaeth heddi fo'r tîm o 5 achos oedd tîm da iawn da'r jerseys?
do, ware teg y doi grŵp eitha dda erbyn ei gilydd, ond heddi gwedodd y judge achos mae cwpl o da henach da ni wedi gweld y dyddiau gorau. So,
A'r pwer na wedi cario.
Odi power a cadeirau tu ôl y gwerthu weld.
Felly, siediau'r Gwartheg Godro lle i fod heno?
Ie, man y man.
Roi draw atoch chi ddathlu falle.
Dewch botel gyda chi, gefn i drink fach.
Llon gwarchiadau mawr iawn i chi. Holl waith caled wedi talu ffordd i chi gyd.
Diolch yn fawr.
Da iawn.
Diolch.
Diolch ti bai.